Retirement, it's something we all dream about. The freedom to travel, relax, and enjoy life after decades of hard work. But here's the truth. Many people enter retirement only to realize they've made serious mistakes that could have been avoided with the right planning. So today, let's talk about the top 5 retirement mistakes people make and how you can avoid them to secure a stress-free and financially stable future. Mistake 1. Not starting early enough. One of the biggest mistakes people make is waiting too long to start saving. It's easy to think, I'll start next year, or I still have time. But here's the catch, time is the most powerful tool when it comes to growing your money. When you start saving and investing early, compound interest works like magic. Even small contributions can grow significantly over decades. For example, if you start investing $200 a month at age 25, by the time you retire at 65 with an average 7% return, you could have over $500,000. But if you start at 35, you'd end up with less than half of that, around $240,000. The lesson? Don't wait for the perfect time. Start saving something now. Even a small start is better than no start. Mistake 2. Underestimating how much you'll need. Many people assume they'll need less money in retirement. But the reality is, retirement can be expensive, sometimes even more costly than your working years. Think about it, you'll have more free time, which often means more travel, hobbies, and spending. On top of that, medical costs usually rise as we age. A good rule of thumb is to aim for about 70 to 80% of your pre-retirement income every year after you retire. So if you earn $50,000 per year before retirement, you should plan for at least $35,000 to $40,000 per year after retiring. Also, don't forget about inflation. Prices go up over time, and the money you save today won't buy the same things 20 years from now. That's why investing, not just saving, is essential. Mistake 3. Relying only on one source of income. Another major mistake is assuming your pension or government benefits will cover everything. Unfortunately, that's rarely true anymore. Social Security, pensions, or government retirement plans are helpful, but they're not always enough to maintain your lifestyle. Relying on one income stream is risky because those benefits can change or may not keep up with inflation. The smart move is to diversify your income sources. In addition to your retirement account, consider other investments like dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, or side businesses that could generate passive income. The more diversified your income is, the more secure your retirement will be. Mistake 4. Ignoring health and insurance costs. This one's often overlooked, but it can be devastating. Many retirees underestimate the cost of healthcare and insurance. Even if you're healthy now, medical expenses usually increase as you age. Without proper planning, one major illness can drain your savings. To protect yourself, invest in comprehensive health insurance and consider long-term care insurance. These can help cover medical bills, hospital stays, and assisted living costs if needed. Also, take care of your health today. Eat well, exercise, and get regular checkups. A healthy lifestyle can save you not just money, but years of quality life in retirement. Mistake number 5. Not having a clear plan or strategy. Finally, one of the most common and most dangerous retirement mistakes is not having a plan. Many people focus only on saving, but they don't think about how they'll use that money. Questions like, how much do I need to withdraw each year? How should I invest during retirement? How do taxes affect my income after retirement? Without a clear plan, it's easy to overspend or invest too aggressively, and that can shorten your retirement savings quickly. To avoid this, create a written retirement plan that covers your income sources, pension, savings, investments, your monthly and yearly expenses, tax strategies to minimize what you owe, and a backup plan for emergencies. If you're unsure how to build this plan, consult a certified financial planner. A small investment in advice today can save you from costly mistakes later. Final thoughts. Retirement isn't just about saving money, it's about creating a lifestyle you can sustain for decades. To recap, here are the top 5 retirement mistakes to avoid. Not starting early enough. Underestimating your expenses. Relying on only one income source. Ignoring health and insurance costs. Not having a clear plan. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll give yourself the best chance at a comfortable, confident, and stress-free retirement. Remember, the earlier you start planning, the easier it will be to enjoy the retirement you've always dreamed of.